Hi guys, you're welcome to today's class, still on mathematics. Today, we have a very interesting topic which is titled unit conversion. And mind you, like I said, remember I always tell you this that we take the problems topic by topic so that we can always know where we're going to and make students understand it better by solving more problems in every topic. Now, as I said, we have a problem called unit conversion. A lot of students in sciences, even in secondary school students and even high institutions, especially students in sciences and engineering, they find it difficult in converting or units. You know, when problems are given in some units and which answers are required to be in other units, the conversion factor tends to elude them. So today we'll be looking at some of them and some other ones too as we progress. Now I have here convert 823 gram to kilogram. This is very simple. Even from our primary school days, we always used to sing it as a rhyme that 1000 gram is equals to 1 kilogram. Now, we have that 823 gram equals to 1 kilogram over, sorry, 1000 gram. This being written like this, it's easier now to cancel out to get the final answer. Now, the gram cancels gram. Since we are converting to kilogram, we have that 823 over 1000. Now, this divide by this, we will have 0.823 kilogram. As simple as this. It's just very simple. Thanks for watching and watch out for more problem solutions. Bye.